Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about RDP, short for Remote Desktop Protocol. By using this particular tool you can take remote access of any computer within your network or in some cases outside the network. This particular tool is very helpful for IT professionals to take remote access of client computers to diagnose and fix problems, or in some cases if you have some important data or some important software installed elsewhere or on any other computer within your network, you can directly take remote access of that computer and do your work on that particular machine. So let's start with our today's video. Before starting the process of configuring a remote desktop protocol, here are a few things that you'll need to remember. First, you need to have physical access to the client's computer. Second, both primary and client's computer need to be on the same network. And third, note down the client's computer IP address. For example, here I have two machines. This is machine 1 and this is machine 2. First machine is the primary computer by the name Servebro 1, as you can see here. And second, the client's machine is by the name Servebro 2. This is the machine that we'll be taking remote access of. Once you have both primary and client's computer connected to the same network, either over LAN or Wi-Fi, go to the client's computer. In the start menu, type in network. Then you'll see a shortcut icon with the name network status. Click on it. Here you'll see the status of the network with which the client's computer is connected. If it's connected through LAN, it'll show Ethernet. If it's connected through Wi-Fi, it will show wireless network. Now, as we have established, both computers are connected to the same network. Now we have to note down the IP address of the client's computer. You don't have to go anywhere. On the same page, you can see your current network, that is in this computer, as you can see, Ethernet 0. Click on Properties. If you drag down a bit, here in front of IPv4 address, you'll see the client computer's IP address. Once you have the IP address, either memorize it or note it down. Once you have the client's computer IP address, close this window. In the start menu, type in this PC. Now you'll see the shortcut icon for this PC. Right click on it and click on Properties. Once the system properties is open, on the left side, click on Advanced System Settings. Then click on Computer's Name. Here you can see the client's computer name. Now click on Remote. Here are the options that you need to change to enable remote desktop connection. As you can see, right now by default it is disabled, so you have to enable it. Click on Allow remote connection to this computer. In some cases you might get this pop-up. This is just a simple caution warning. If you have your power option configured to turn off your display or put your computer to sleep after a few minutes, you should change them, because if your computer goes to sleep, the remote desktop protocol won't work. So what we have to do is we have to click on power options. As you can see, preferred plan is balanced. You don't need to change your power plans. Whichever plan is selected, click on change plan settings, and here you can modify the settings if you want to allow it to turn off display after a particular amount of time, or if you want it to never turn it off. So here we are going to set it to never, and under that, put the computer to sleep. We are also going to set it to never. Then click on save changes and close out of this window, and then again click on OK. Now in some cases you might also get this particular option, allow connection only for computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. We'll get to this particular option in a later video. For now, you can simply disable it and click on apply and OK. So that's much it. Remote desktop protocol is enabled on your client's computer. To verify it, go to your primary computer. In the start menu, type in RDP. Here you can see the shortcut icon for remote desktop connection. Click on it, and here type in the IP address that you previously noted down for your client's computer. In my case, it was this. Once you have entered your IP, click on connect. If your remote desktop protocol is configured properly, if all the options that I've shown you here are done correctly, it will prompt you for a username and password to connect to the remote computer. Now this particular username password require to be on the client's computer. That means it should be your client's computer's username password. It could be administrator, it could be a secondary user. So in this case, we are going to use a secondary user for the client's PC, and the secondary user is this, and then enter the password. If you wanted to remember the password, you can click on remember me. If you want to connect only once, click on OK. Now you will see a certificate warning. If you are not working on a terminal server or enterprise terminal server network, you can simply ignore it. But if you are working in an enterprise network, you should have certificates installed in your terminal server for remote desktop protocols. Here we are going to click on don't ask me, and then click on yes. And as you can see here, we are logged into the remote computer or the client's computer remotely. Now we can do pretty much anything that we can do by physically accessing that computer. Let's say we want to open Notepad. Simply open run, type in Notepad, and there you go. Do whatever you want to do with that particular machine and save your data on that particular machine. Let's say I'm saving it on the desktop. So once your work on your remote desktop machine is done, close out of it by clicking on X icon on the top blue bar. It will prompt you that if you're sure you want to disconnect, you can click on OK and you'll be disconnected from the remote machine. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something today. That's all for remote desktop protocol configuration. If you like the video so far, please like, share and subscribe. It will help me out tremendously. And if you have any suggestions, please type them in the comment box. It will really help me out to improve my skills. Thanks again, and I'll be back with more videos. Have a nice day.